Welcome back to Prince Chakras, where we empower you to rise above challenges. Today we have a special but quick midweek motivation session for you. A little reminder to stay strong and keep pushing forward because we know it can be tough. Life throws challenges, but we're here to rise above. So let's dive into our empowering affirmations. Repeat after me. I am capable of handling anything that comes my way. I am resilient and adaptable. I have the strength to overcome any obstacle. I believe in my own power. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth. I embrace the unknown and trust in the journey. I am in control of my own destiny. Remember, each setback is merely a stepping stone toward success. In times of doubt, I turn to my inner strength and find the courage to persevere. I release all negative thoughts and replace them with positivity and optimism. I choose to focus on what empowers me rather than what holds me back. Today I choose to rise above the challenges that come my way, knowing they are shaping me into a stronger version of myself. Acknowledge your strength, my friend, for within you lies an unstoppable force. Stay committed, stay determined, and know that success is within your grasp. Remember, you are not alone. Find your support system, lean on them, and share your journey with others who understand. As we approach the end of this midweek motivation, I want to remind you that your dreams are worth fighting for. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and keep moving forward. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay connected with all our empowering content. Until next time, keep rising above the challenges.